Hi friends, welcome back everyone to my channel. So friends, in this video I'm going to explain to you a very good prescription. You can say like a doctor's prescription. That is why I named the strategy as doctor strategy. If at all you use this strategy, you will be able to get rid of your psychological problems, your problems with respect to discipline. If you're not able to stick to a strategy for a long time, then this strategy is going to be for you. It will help you, and this is the strategy which usually I recommend to all of my friends, relatives, close ones who come to me and they ask me to help in terms of conquering psychology and discipline and all those things. This is a strategy which I give them. It's going to be very easy and very simple, and I will tell you it has got it involves theta, delta and all those things, but then I'll make it very simple. It will not be very complicated, so I expect you to please stay tuned till end of the video. You'll be getting full description, full details about the video. And friends, please press the like button in case if you really like my effort. And if you're new to this channel, you'll be finding lots and lots of strategies like this for the working professionals, so I recommend you to please subscribe the button and also press the bell button. And for all of you who were inquiring about my well-being, I am absolutely fine. I had taken a break from social media. I had gone to my native place, and for the first time in my life I went without a return date plan. Okay, so that is what happened. I went to almost all the districts of Kerala. I traveled everywhere. I took my car, my family, and I was away from social media. And this is, I should say, this is a gift of trading. This all happened because I am trading. I'm a full-time trader. So trading gives the luxury for you to travel, trade from wherever you are. So I used to go to the beaches, trade from there. I used to go to the mountains, trade from there, go to my relative's place, trade from there. So this is how my life was. Almost for 1 month I was in Kerala for the first time, such a long time. Usually before, whenever we go to Kerala or native place, we used to run and come back because of office and all those things. But now that kind of pressure is not there thanks to trading. So I recommend you also to please get to that level very soon. It will happen to you. Okay, now let's come back to the strategy. So friends, I'll show you. I have the backtest report as well. I'll share you the backtest report as well. You can get in touch with my WhatsApp number and collect the backtest report as well. And let me tell you, you have to just stick on to one thing. Just make sure that you write down your journal. Whenever you take your trades, daily maintain your journal. Apart from that, everything else will be taken care if you follow the strategy. Okay, so this is a normal Bank Nifty option strategy. It's a strangle strategy, and how to select the strike prices, how to take the stop losses, how to take the entry, all those things I'll explain to you. Okay, but most important thing, please maintain a journal. Only then you will come to know what is happening in stock market, and then you just keep doing this regularly. If at all you have any doubts, you can get back to me, get in touch with me again. I will try to help you and guide you with this strategy. And let me show you how the strategy is all about. Okay, so this is the back-tested report from 2019. I have back-tested. Okay, so the overall profit is showing around 8 lakh. I have considered almost 1% slippages as well in this. After that, this is the profit. And so friends, whenever we look into any strategy, the most important thing which generally everyone sees is the profit, and they also look into the accuracy. It's almost, you can say, close to 70% accuracy is there. So it will help you in really mitigating the losses as well. Minimum little less losses and drawdowns. But the most important thing which you have to see here is the expectancy. So people, those who don't know what is expectancy, let me explain to you in some other video, not in this video. You always have to see if the expectancy is positive and is greater than at least 0.25. It will give you a very good thing. And also important thing is the maximum losing streak. Here in this case, you can see it's only 6 days, and return to MTD ratio is 14, which is also very good. And the maximum drawdown which you can see here is going to be 15,990, and the maximum loss on any profitable day, on maximum loss on any day is going to be 6,271. Okay friends, so you saw the strategy is very beautiful. Also the monthly breakup is there. You can see in almost 2022 also we are in very good profit. We just had 1 month in April which had a slight loss, and January also there was a slight loss. But apart from that, almost every other months we can see that it is giving very good consistent returns. And then all the backtested results are there in this. You can just go through. In case if you want, you can take the file from me. You can just WhatsApp on my number 8095876525 and collect the backtested file as well. Okay, now coming back to the strategy. So what you have to do, it's suited for all the working professionals. So what you have to do is keep an alarm at 10 a.m. in the morning. So let all the janjat, everything get over, market movements, everything get over. You don't have to break your head for anything. Wait patiently for market to settle down, and then by 10 a.m. you can get into the trade. So by at least by 9:50, 9:55 you can keep alarm and be ready by 10 o'clock to enter into the trade. And what is that you have to do? I'll just show you. You just have to type Bank Nifty options chain. Okay, so when you type this, you'll get the Google search. You can just open from NSE data itself. Okay, so in this you can select Bank Nifty, and automatically expiry date will come the latest expiry date. So this is nothing but the option chain. Don't get confused. I'm just trying to show you how to select the strike price. Friends, selecting the strike price is very important, because whenever we play the strangles, you need to keep the delta very low in such a way that in case even if there is big kind of volatility in the market, you won't lose much. That is why you have to make sure that you keep a very far off delta, and also you should make sure that you get very good profit. So what is it we do is, what is it I do is, okay, so this is the puts and this is the calls. What I do is I search for the LTP, which is in the call side. Let me show you. This is LTP. The call side, I just search for LTP, which is trading near to 100. Okay, so in this particular case, as of now, you can see there is one strike price is close to 100. There is nothing but 38,600 is close to 100. So select the strike price which is closest to 100, that is 38,600. In the same way, go towards the put side as well. Okay, so in put side also, let me just show you. 94 is the closest to 100, and that is nothing but 37,700. So we have selected these both strike prices. We will be trading in these two strike prices. Now, why is that I am taking 100 as my premium which I am going to trade? There are two advantages of this, friends. That is, the delta is going to be almost 0.2, less than 0.2 on Fridays and all those things. So it will really help you in case even if there is big volatility in the market. And also, even in case if one leg stop loss hits, the other leg will give you profit, or will make you to come sure that you'll you'll make little profit at least and come out little bit profitable. That's the main idea. We are selecting this, and what happens is many people will not be knowing how to select delta, etc., etc. So that is why this logic will work beautifully whenever you follow this daily, and you'll also have a very strict. And one more important thing I'll tell you. The beauty of selecting this, that I will show you in the risk management part. Okay. Now, step 1 is this: you are selecting a strike which is having close to 100, and then you are putting your selecting a strike prices. So in this case, we got 37,700 put, and also the call side we have 38,600 calls. So these both strike prices you will be shorting at 10 a.m. as simple as that. Yeah. So at 10 a.m. you are just shorting both the legs. Okay, you have to short both the legs, and then after that immediately you just have to keep 40% stop loss. Okay, so 10 a.m. short both the legs, and immediately after that keep a stop loss of 40%. That is nothing but, if you are taking a entry of 100 rupees, your stop loss is going to be 140. Okay, so I told you about risk management. The beauty is that in case if both your legs hit also, it's going to be approximately 80 rupees into 25. So you are losing only 2,000 rupees. That is nothing but 1% of your capital in case if you are trading with 2 lakh. Okay, in case if you are trading with 1 lakh, then your loss is going to be only 2%. Okay, so for trading with 1 lakh, I think you already know you can place the hedge of around 2,000 points far away hedge. You will get very good discount in your capital. So accordingly you can plan. Now this is step number 1. Now step number 2 is that we have to divide our risk into multiple time frames. So one entry you will be taking at 10 a.m. So for people those who are having limited capital, that is only with 1 lakh, then you can continue with only this single 10 a.m. and let me tell you, it's going to be amazing. Because from the first week itself, from the first month itself, you'll start making money, and then you can track your trades. You can start observing your trades. You will be making very good money in this. And then people those who are having extra capital, I always recommend, please diversify your risk. Divide a capital into 3 parts. Second trade you can take at 11 a.m. and third trade you can take at 12 a.m. As simple as that. Okay. So for everything the logic is the same. 10 a.m., 11 a.m., 12 a.m., keep alarm, go into Bank Nifty option chain, select the strike price which is closest to 100 points, and then short both immediately. You can put a basket order and short immediately both together, and then you can keep immediately 40% stop loss for both of the leg, and after that you don't even have to look into your screen. That is why I told you it's best suited for the working professional as well. Even in case if you're working, you don't have to look into the screen, you can just place this order and then forget about your trades. And then 11 a.m. again come back and do the same procedure, 12 a.m. come back again do the same procedure, and then 3:30 just wait for 3:20, 3:30, let it automatically get squared off, and then you can come and look into your screen. Okay, so either our target is going to hit or a stop loss is going to hit, or otherwise we are waiting till end of the day. And what happens is, most of the time you know that Bank Nifty moves in the range of 1%. So during those days you will be getting the theta benefit in this, because we are taking far off strike prices. And then whenever Bank Nifty is moving one sided direction, then one leg will cut off and another one leg will give you profit. And friends, what happens is, like most of the time 10 a.m. if it is giving you loss, either 11 a.m. or 12 a.m. will be there as a to save you from your losses. So one or the other strategy, one or the other leg will give you profit and make sure that you recover the other leg losses. So that is why diversify your capital into 3 parts, and in each trade you are taking only less than 1% loss, because in this case it is 2000. So overall, if you are doing this, you might require 3 lakh, but just in case if you are doing only the first leg, if you are having less capital, you might need minimum 1 lakh, and this is in case if you are taking 2000 point hedge. Yes, so you can take this 2000 point hedge. So those who don't know what is this hedge and all those things, it is very layman terms. Please study thoroughly options, and then you'll understand what is all about. But it's very simple thing. And friends, this backtest report is for all the 3 legs which I have taken. Okay, that is why you can see here the maximum loss comes in last 3 years has only been 6,271. That is nothing but in case if you're trading with 3 lakh capital, it's going to be 2% of your loss only. And the thing is, you can consistently make money in this from the first week itself. That is the beauty. So when you see your account in profit from the first week itself, then you will get the confidence to continue doing the trade. That is why I told you it's very important to maintain a journal. You can see your performance, analyze your performance weekly or monthly, and then you will understand that, okay, this is how trading has to be done. This is how discipline has to be cultivated. Day in and day out, don't worry about any news, all those things. You just blindly follow this procedure. That is why I told you the strike price 100 automatically. Even if there is any big news, or even if there is any event, elections, anything of that thing, we just have to go and take a strike price which is 100. Even on Thursdays also we can take 100. That day the delta will be a little bit higher, but don't worry. The theta decay will help us in making money on Thursdays. So don't go to worry about the deltas on Thursday. But what I am saying is, on the big event day and election days also, the theta will be taking care. The deltas also will be taking care using this concept. So you don't have to worry in case if you don't know about any Greeks and options and all those things. Okay friends, so hope you like the strategy, hope you like the video. In case if at all you are watching for the first time, please do press the subscribe button and also the like button. And in case if you want this WhatsApp, you can just WhatsApp me 8095 876525. Okay, you can just WhatsApp on this number and collect it from my team, and I'll be happy to help you. In case if you have any doubts also, you can WhatsApp on my number. Okay friends, so thank you and have a nice day.